Let's start using the pen tool. The pen tool is a separate skill and not very easy to get used to. But after some practice you should be able to use it. Let's show the Curvature tool. The short key for the Curvature tool is Shift plus tilde. The Curvature tool is actually the same as the pen tool, but it automatically will create curves. So head over to the Curvature tool and simply create a path on your artboard. Okay, this should be good. You can see we have an active fill, but I rather want a stroke or a line, so I will switch the fill with a stroke. Now let's increase the stroke size and add a color. By reselecting the drag selection tool, we can reposition the anchor points. So it doesn't matter if the shape isn't okay yet, because you can always easily adjust it later on. Now let's say we want the stroke to start off thin and then get thicker along the way. With this easy tab up here, you can choose all kinds of presets regarding the outline. So let's just try some of them out. This one seems to be okay. Next to this useful tab, we got another tab to adjust the way the strokes should appear. So I will just show you around what the presets will do. So that's how you can draw or create lines using the pen tool.